Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you a quick and easy oil slick look that you can create by yourself using eyeliner. As you can see here, I'm just applying the eyeliner all over the lid, just in a very messily function. Then I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend it out. Just blending that underneath the eye, making a big, bold, smoked out look. I'm layering on top of the blended out eyeliner a little bit more for the opacity to increase. Once again, blending that out just on top. Just on top of the eyelid. And blending out the other eye as well. I've just got some clear, unscented, unfragranced lip balm, and I've just popped that on top of my eyelids to create that liquid oil slick effect. And I'm just going to blend underneath the eyes once again with a little bit of black and a little bit of brown. Then I get my blush and I'm going to reverse contour and create a nice blushy look to warm up the face. In circular motions, I'm just running up and down the cheekbone with the blush where I'd normally put my contour, and a little bit higher as well. Then I get my contour colour and then define just the very contours of my face. I run it along and across my forehead as well, and underneath my chin. Then for the lips, I'm going in with a berry red, overlining the lips. Creating a nice outline, and then popping some concealer on the middle part of my lips to create a dramatic ombre lip look. I'm just overlining them again and dabbing a little bit of concealer on the inside of my lips with my finger until I get the desired look. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.